As you can see, I already have one eye done because I wasn't sure what I wanted to do. It was kind of just going with it. So I'm going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette, and I'm going to take the color Butter. This is going to be used as our transition color, so take a big fluffy brush and put that into the upper crease. Now go into the shade Hunts, which is a much more deeper orange, has some red in it. I'm going to go ahead and put that into the crease just below the first Butter color. And also make sure you go back in to blend everything out. I'm going to go in with Jax, and it's kind of the same tone as Hunts, except it's much deeper, and we're going to start creating depth. So I'm going to put this really, really close into that socket, so basically right in that crease, and just blend everything out. Now I'm going to take the color Twerk. It's a beautiful blurple color. It's not really blue and it's not really purple. It's absolutely beautiful, and as soon as I opened the palette, that color just jumped out at me, so I knew I had to create a look with it. I'm just going to apply that in the inner and outer corners, and I'm going to take some concealer and start to kind of carve out the crease and the center of the lid, because we are going to do a halo eye, as you can see. And then I'm going to take the color Beam, and we're going to pop that right on top of the concealer, right in the middle. It's going to look beautiful once everything is all blended out. Just blending Beam and Twerk together so it's nice and seamless. And then I'm going to go into Abyss. It's just a nice matte black and a very small little mini brush. I'm just going to apply that to the inner and outer corners, again just creating some more depth. Now I'm going to take the shade Soda Pop, which is a nice purple, and then we are going to put that right where you normally put eyeliner. I just wanted to give my eye shape some more definition without having to actually apply eyeliner. So it's a nice little trick. Trick. I'm going to go ahead and take some Great Lash Mascara. It doesn't really matter which ones you use because we are going to apply falsies on top. Go ahead and take some cleansing water or makeup wipes, whatever you want to use, and we are going to wipe away any fallout, and then go ahead and prime the skin. I'm using Smashbox Photo Finish Primer per usual. And then I'm going to go in with the Milani Conceal and Perfect Foundation. I believe this is the shade 2 or 3, one of them. But I'm just kind of obviously placing it all over and blend it out with a beauty sponge. I'm going to go in with the Morphe Color Wheel, and I'm going to use this nice bright concealer shade and apply that underneath my eyes, nose, forehead, chin, basically the center of my face. Looking a little cray-cray. I'm going to go ahead and blend that out again with the beauty sponge. This one is by Real Techniques, but you can use a brush, you can use a beauty blender, whatever you want to use. I'm going to go in with the Ben Nye Cameo powder, and I'm going to apply that everywhere I apply the concealer. And then my Ben Nye banana powder to set the rest of my face. Go ahead and bronze the skin. I'm using MAC's Refined Golden Bronzer. And then I'm going to take this super bright, crazy pink color by e.l.f. in the shade Pink Passion. Apply that to the apples of the cheeks. And I know it looks a lot. My face has a lot of blush, contour, bronzer, but I like to add extra because the excess powder that's sitting on my face, once I blend everything out, it's going to just be nice and smooth. So I know I look a little cray-cray right now. It's going to all come together, I promise. I'm just using the Anastasia Contour Kit to contour the nose a little bit, and as you can see, blending out my face because I was looking cray-cray. But I don't have any powder or any sort of product on the brush. I'm just blending everything together. And then using the exact same shades that we use on top in our crease, we're going to apply to the bottom lower lash line. I thought I'd zoom in so you guys can get a better look. I'm going to go ahead and take this gel liner by e.l.f. and just apply it into the waterline. And then taking Mario Badescu Rose Water Facial Spray, I'm just going to spritz the face, set my makeup, and use the Anastasia Highlight Kit with Nicole Guerrero in the shade Kitty Cat. Such a beautiful shade. Applying that to the inner corner, the cheeks, my nose. Pretty much bathing in this because I'm obsessed with this palette. And I will be honest with y'all, I don't remember the name of these lashes. I know they're Ardell. I don't know the number. I'm so sorry. If I find out or remember, I will put them in the description box. But basically just go for whatever lashes you are feeling that day. And then I'm going to take the Anastasia lip kit and I'm going to take the color 4. We are just going to basically use this as a lip liner. And then I'm going to go in with Revlon's Nude Attitude lipstick to put it into the center, blend it all out. It looks beautiful. Bada bing, bada boom. The look is complete. I hope you love.